Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo came down heavily on the reports that tagged the Goan taxi drivers as taxi mafia. The highlight issue of the report claimed that the monopoly by the drivers to think that taxi should be the only preferred way of travel by the visitors is a huge danger that could soon hold the state and tourism industry to a ransom. Michael Lobo on Saturday refuted the claims of existence of the taxi mafia in the state. Stressing on the importance of putting the system in place for the taxi drivers, Lobo said the government has to take initial steps to first curb the illegal taxi business by individuals using private cars. He said some with vested interest have been trying to degrade the image of Goan taxi drivers. He further stood firm by stating that no outside taxi companies will be allowed to set up their base in the state, but all the modern apps and technology will be implemented by the government to help put a system in place for the taxi business.
एलिगेशनां खूब जाल्ली ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स आणि ओनरांचेर आणि ही एलिगेशनां जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना लोक सजमता हे सगळे टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांक ट्युरिस्ट चोर म्हणटा म्हणून तशें ना तें रियलिटी कितें आयज ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनर जेन्ना म्हणटा म्हापशां वचपाक भाडें कलांगूटसून उमकें म्हणून एक 500 रुपया तांकां दिसता हेणें सुबेज सांगलें म्हणून. एट द सेम टायम गव्हर्मेंट ऑल्सो प्रोसेस चालू की हांकां सगळे टॅक्सींक मिटर घालचो हो प्रोसेस चालू पूण हो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करपाक इलिगॅलिटी केन्ना बंद जातली हो व्हडलो प्रश्न नॉर्थ गोवा आनी सावथ गोवा ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनर आनी ड्रायव्हर आयज गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारता. इलिगल बिजनसीस इतले चालू म्हणजे प्रायवेट गाडयेन लोक भाडी मारूंक लागले ते म्हणटा आमचें पोट ना काय म्हणटा हांवूय म्हणटा सगळ्यांचें पोट पूण जो तर इलिगॅलिटी वाडत रावली जाल्यार हिंकां बिजनस खंयचे येतले आनी हाव वील गव्हर्मेंट इम्पोज द मिटर ऑन दीस पीपल. म्हाका दिसता आयज सिस्टम घालपाची गरज आनी जर तर सिस्टम जाग्यार येयली जाल्यार सगळे जाग्यार पडटले. टॅक्सी माफिया म्हणटा ती गोंयांत नाच हांकां ब्रँड करपाक गेल्ले वयता कांय लोक हेच्या फाटल्यान थोडे आमचे गोंयकारूच आनी थोडे भायले की हे टॅक्सीक माफिया ब्रँड करया आनी आमी भितर सरया. फाटल्या दिसांनी ओला आनी ते आनीक तरी कॅब कंपनी गोंयां येवपाक तेणी सगळो प्रयत्न केलो पूण आमचे गोंयकार नॉर्थ गोवा आनी सावथ गोवा ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सी ओनर आनी ड्रायव्हर सगळे एक कसले भायले कंपनी येवपाक आमी दिवचे ना. ॲप जे कितें घालपाक जाय टॅक्सी ॲप ते आमी घालपाचो प्रयत्न आमी ओन करतले तेंचे ऑफिसीसूय घालतले मिटरूय घालतले.
Kalangut Zilla Panchayat member Sean Martins also spoke on similar lines and said that the taxi drivers always get caught in the wrong web with no fault of theirs. He said the only solution to the problem will be a meeting by the government with the stakeholders to formulate a proper system for the taxi business.
Well, this word that has now arisen in the press called taxi mafia, Jamunta, I think that word is not fair for taxi drivers. Like in general, of course, the taxi group or union is huge, but there are like few people, some people that maybe overcharge or do some things and gives a bad name to the entire taxis. See, at the same time, we must understand the taxi driver's point of view also with regards to meters and other things which the people and the tourists want. But their contention that we want meters, but the service center for the meter is not there. So there are few problems. This, if the government solves with the taxi drivers, and also our MLA, he is very close to the taxi driver union, and all the taxi drivers have high regard for him. I feel he is the best person to connect between the taxi drivers and the government and bring about technology like meters or your apps with the taxi drivers all together, sitting in confidence, the stakeholders, and come out with a good system like for taxi drivers, so the tourists, even our locals can also use the taxi service. Tourists can use the taxi service and they feel they it's in a fair price. So that this will also bring this issue has been going on for quite some time, like unresolved, and every time the taxi drivers, poor guys, get a bad name.
Meanwhile, the Vice President of the North Goa Tourist Taxi, Ravindra Vengulekar, said the reputation of taxi drivers is huge among the foreign tourists. He also criticized the comments of tagging the drivers as mafias, while adding that the rent-a-car owners have also been trying to steal the business from the taxi drivers.
एक दिवस हांव युरोपियन टुरिस्ट फॉरेन टुरिस्ट पळय येता तो कित्याक लागून गोंय येता की आमचे टॅक्सीकारांचें रेपुटेशन बरें आहा म्हणून आमी तांकां बरी सर्वीस दिता बरें ट्रिटमेंट करतात म्हणून हे ट्युरिस्ट परत परत गोंया येतात आनी आमचे कडेन येतात आमकांच परत मेळटात आमकां सोदतात ते कित्याक तर आमचो आनी तांचो एक विश्वास जाल्लो आहा विश्वास बसलेलो आहा ताका लागून येतात हितूर माफियागिरी हे नाच आयज तर दुसरे म्हणजे हे जे रेंट कारवाले आहात तांकां ते म्हणटात की आमकां ऑफिशियल करपाक दिनात ऑफिशियल करपाक दिना हेचो अर्थ कितें तांकां एक एकट्याक 10 गाडयो जायो ते म्हणटा आमकां पोट भरपाक जाय पोट भरपाक तर जाय नाल्यार 2 गाडयांनी पोट भरूंक शकतात तर तांकां ना तांकां पोट भरपाक ना तांकां पयसो करपाक लागून तो धंदो करपाचो आहा तेन्ना आमी जेन्ना हें लायसन्स तांकां ना म्हटलें आमी एग्री आहा पूण चड गाडयांक दिना आमी पण आमी जेन्ना ना म्हटलें तांकां दिसता की आमी माफियागिरी करतात हितून माफियागिरी हो प्रश्नच येयना.
Bureau Report, HCM.